Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Traffic Igniter review video, I'd like to share with you a new Autopilot buyer's traffic source that I've recently joined. And you'll see here it says daily traffic from certified buyers. So it's reasonably new in the marketplace. And I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you exactly what you get with this offer. And I'm also going to show you the bonuses that you currently can get if you join as a member. And a bit later on the video, I want to show you how you can get your traffic for free. So what I want to do is teach you how to get into profit and build up a portfolio of buyer traffic offers. And you'll see here, I'm going to give you a free system and training that's going to teach you how to do this. And you'll see here, I've sold nearly $6,000 of these products. But more importantly, I want to show you by following this system, how you can get your offers in front of thousands of existing buyers and the thousands of buyers that are joining these buyer traffic offers every single month. And it's complete automation. Once you get your system in place, you're putting your offer there in complete automation. And then with these profits here, you'll see there's nearly $3,000 of profits, recurring payments coming in every single month. I want to teach you how with the profits you can use these profits as what we call a funded traffic proposal. So you take your profits from these offers, and because they're high in demand and they're high converting, and then you've got a budget every single month to buy more paid traffic and scale up your primary business faster. So I'll come to that a bit later on in the video. First of all, let's just have a look at Traffic Igniter and the owner, Tarek. I'm going to play the video by Tarek first, and then I'll come back after this video and take you inside the members area.
Your success depends on three simple words: traffic, traffic, traffic. This is why I've created Traffic Igniter, to deliver 100% verified buyer traffic to your link every day, month after month. Once you're a member, your link will be placed in our rotator and sent out daily to our member community. This way, not only will your link be seen by like-minded people, but you will be able to see what other members are promoting, giving you an inside look at what offers are trending. We also utilize paid advertising that is optimized to get more clicks on your link. And as you know, more clicks equals more money. This system is completely automated and our membership is growing fast. So to start getting traffic and clicks, just hit the subscribe button and submit your URL. That's it. Then sit back and watch your leads roll in. There is no risk to you and can be canceled at any time. Plus, take a look down below at all the free bonuses you get as a member.
So thank you very much there to Tarek. And what you see there is he's also reinvesting profits to buy more traffic for paid traffic for the rotator as well. So he's reinvesting additional profits. So when you join, what happens is you get a welcome email. So you'll see I've just joined here 3 hours ago, and you get an email, welcome to the family. And then very, very simple. All you do is click here for instructions, and then that just takes you into a members area. And within the members area, it just gives you instructions there on if you want to change the email address where they get the daily email, you can have it go to any email address. But I also like the fact he's got a support desk here. So he's very hands-on with his members. If you've got any issues with the system or you want to have any questions, then you can contact Tarek at the support desk. If you want to, there's an upgrade for double the buyer traffic. If you want to upgrade and put 2 offers into the system, you can upgrade there. And you come down here, it's got very beginner-friendly setup instructions, step 1, 2, and 3 on how to put your links in there. Another thing that I like about it is just down here, where what you can do is you can change your URLs at any time by using Hits Connect. Hits Connect is a free account. I use that with my Traffic Blaster Pro account. So the offers that you put into Traffic Igniter don't have to stay in there permanently. You just set up a free Hits Connect account, and anytime you want to change your URLs, just go into there and then put different URLs into the rotator. He's got an affiliate program, 50% recurring commissions, which I recommend you join. I was going to come to that shortly, with my system of building a portfolio of these offers. And just click here to access your bonuses. So these are the bonuses that he gives you. There's 4 different bonuses here. Mastering affiliate marketing, some great email headline openers, so making sure your emails, if you're using safe lists or an autoresponder, how to get emails opened, Facebook marketing, recurring income secrets. So 4 free bonuses there. And this is Tarek, he's the vendor here. This is inside Warrior Plus. You click on here to get your URL, to get your affiliate link. You'll see mine's pending, so you've got to request your affiliate link. I'm led to believe that because you're a paying member, it's going to authorize you to become an affiliate because you've joined. I think you've got to join the product to become a member to become an affiliate. There's 2 products within the Done For You funnel. This first one here is a recurring income product. So it's $4.95 to join Traffic Igniter, $4.95 per month, and you get a recurring commission every 30 days. So just by getting 2 referrals, you're then going to get your traffic for free. He's also put an upsell in there to double the traffic. So if any of your referrals, that's a $14.95 upsell. And if any of your referrals decide they want to put two URLs into the offer, then you'll earn a 50% commission. That's a one-off commission. It's not a recurring commission like the front-end product here. So let me just show you now how you can, as an affiliate, how you can build a portfolio. First of all, get your traffic for free. How to promote Traffic Igniter. So there'll be a link in the description that will say free 7-figure earner blueprint training and system. And this is a training by Jeff Amon of the Click Engine. And what you can do is you can use this training by Jeff Amon, who was very kindly put together this series of video tutorials to help you promote buyer traffic offers. You can customize it. It's very easy to customize. It's customizable and editable. That's what I'm trying to say. So the system's very easy to customize and edit, and then you can use this system to build up a portfolio of these offers. What I recommend you do is, what I did, I started out with one of these offers. So if you join Traffic Igniter today, then start to use this system here to promote Traffic Igniter. And then what you do is when you get into profit, then you join another one. And then you get into profit with that one, and then you join another one. And the reason that's really key is because then you're starting to get your offer in front of more and more buyers on autopilot. So as you build up your portfolio, you're not only getting your offer in front of existing hundreds of existing buyers, but you're also going to get your offer in front of the thousands of buyers that are coming in, new buyers that are coming in every single month. And then what you do is you take your profits over here, you take your profits as a funded traffic proposal, and then you reinvest those profits into either buying more of these offers, more buyers in front of your promote your offer to more buyers, or you can use it for other traffic sources as well, solo ads, login ads, Facebook ads, any other traffic source, YouTube ads that you want to. The key thing is you've got profit with this system. And if I go into my dashboard here live today, you'll see last month there was $349 of sales. So it's costing me roughly about maybe $50 to $60 a month for the offers that I'm promoting. So there's about $300 profit there every month. This month so far, $203. So you can see you get some consistency, and we've still got 2 weeks to go in March. So probably going to get the same as last month, or maybe even more. So you start to get some consistency of recurring income, of profits, and that's a great funded traffic proposal and system that we've created to help you become successful with this portfolio of buyers. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like and a share. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. What I did forget to mention was with Traffic Igniter, I think I forgot to mention here the price. It's $4.95 per month. So I think it's great value. The link in the description will take you to this page here. You can have a look at your bonuses. I think for just over $1 a week, it's great value for you to start getting your offer in front of buyers, and also the additional traffic that Target's going to pay for as well. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see some more videos from me. And currently on my channel, I'm doing several new videos every week, and currently on the channel there is over 1,000 videos. So if you've got any questions at all about Traffic Igniter, any questions about the portfolio of buyer traffic, please put those questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'm also going to put my email address in the description, and if you want to contact me direct through email and you'd like my help, then please do so. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.